tell me what happened this afternoon, Isabel.
Well, when we were in Miss Katie's house, that's our neighbor. She's that neighbor over there on that side. So we were in her house. We had a little crown or something. I wanted to try and chunga. I couldn't wait until we got home, so I just asked if I could go to get chunga. Maddie, now shut that door behind you, okay? Shut it. Let's go. We're running across the road into the garage. Up the driveway, then into the garage. Then we're like Maggie and me go in the garage. We see this spider. Well, it's hanging down from it could be the ceiling, or the door.
Ooh, sounds not very pleasant. How did you feel about that?
I felt creepy. Scared me. Well, I think it might have had a web or something. And it was like kind of attached to the web. Ooh. I stopped and looked at it to see what it was doing. It might have been ready to catch us. Then I just was like, let's scatter. So we started running across the road. Maddie came in crying. I asked her, that spider was creepy, wasn't it? Went to cry, she was still crying. Yeah, or something.
Oh, you were scared too.
I didn't cry, but I kind of got a little...
Okay, Maddie, tell me what happened today.
There was a spider like hanging on the web, and I was still crying.
Oh no, was it a little spider or a big one?
A big one, crawling.
Oh no.
Red.
Was he climbing on you or the door? Where was he?
He was on the door, not on me.